So in today's video, we're going to show you how to remove your inlet hoses on your washer. To do that, I'm just going to turn the washer around so you can see it. For doing it in your home, you're going to want to unplug the washer from the wall, as well as you're going to want to make sure you turn off your taps. So to remove your hoses from your washer, you're just going to need a pair of pliers, whether it's channel locks, vice grips, whatever you prefer to use or have at hand. And they just basically unthread. So because these had pressure on them from your home, once you turned it off, that pressure is still in the line. So you'll want to have a bit of a towel or a sponge here, because when you first start to loosen them, you're going to get a squirt of water coming out at you. So you'll just want to capture that. And just unthread them. And that gives you the opportunity to inspect those screens in case they need to be cleaned. And it's just that easy to remove them.